Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick point and figure chart review of the S&P 500 index. We can see after hitting the upside target of 4,775, touched 4,800, then reversed lower. Generated a sell signal with this point and figure chart reversal at the top end of the chart here. So now there's consolidation risk right down to the bottom end trend line support zone. From a point and figure chart perspective, so keep that in mind. It's on its way to test these old resistance levels for new support. So it'll be interesting to see if support will come back into the market in around this trend line support zone on a point and figure chart basis. Looking at the 60-minute point and figure, we can see hitting those upside targets 4780, 4790, and then reversed lower after hitting those targets. Generated a sell signal up here at 4800, and now took out the 4705 downside target. The next downside target is way down here at 4,490, but will be interesting to see if we get a rebound of support in and around this cluster. This trend line on a point and figure chart basis is a key support zone, so it'll be interesting to see if we're going to get that support rebound. But so far it looks like it's digging into the support from these old highs here to see how strong that support level is. But there is still some downside risk to this 4565 zone for this quarter. That downside target there is 4590, so that's the downside target on the 60-minute point and figure chart. So looking weak here with downside targets back down to point and figure chart trend line support levels. And turning to the other 5x3 point and figure, 5-point box size, 3-point reversal, 3 times reversal size, so 15-point downside reversal would signal the change in the point and figure chart. Here we can see it met the upside target of 4790, then reversed lower, generated a sell signal up there at 4790. Now it's still in a short-term downtrend. 4730 downside target was taken out. Now this target's got downside risk all the way back down to, let me just zoom in out here, all the way back to 4,400 and 4,450. So that's the downside target, downside target. But there's a trend line support zone, yeah, so it will be interesting to see if we get a strong rebound at the 4,600 zone from a point and figure chart perspective. But so far it's now on its way to test how strong this old resistance level will now be tested to see how strong the support level is. But we have a short-term downtrend on a point and figure chart basis, and it's looking like it wants to head towards the old trend line support zone, these 45-degree lines from a point and figure chart perspective. But so far that's the scenario set up from a point and figure chart perspective. The 5x3 on the 60 minutes, we've got these 4590 downside targets, but beware, any stronger reversal of a potential rebound at these levels will then activate this upside target there, 4730. So that's kind of the range we have at the moment. So it will be interesting to see if we get a rebound this week from this low. So look out for a 15-point reversal to the upside to signal a buy signal in and around the current levels. And then the daily one, 25x3 box size, 25x3 point and figure chart. So there's downside risk towards this trend line support level, the 4,600 zone, on a daily point and figure chart basis. Until next time, happy point and figure chart trading. Bye for now.